Unraveling Idioms, in a spin. Hello, everyone. Today, we're diving into the colorful world of English idioms. Idioms are phrases that have a figurative meaning separate from the literal meaning of the words themselves. They can be quite puzzling to language learners, but fear not, we're here to clear things up. Let's decode the phrase, in a spin, and use it correctly in everyday conversations. In a spin is an idiom that conjures up the image of something rotating rapidly. When used figuratively, it describes a state of confusion or flurry of activity where someone feels disoriented or overwhelmed. It's like saying your mind is spinning because of all the thoughts or events happening at once. The origins of this idiom are likely rooted in the physical sensation of spinning around until one feels dizzy. This mirrors the mental state of being overwhelmed or unable to focus due to too many concerns or the rapid pace of developments. Understanding where idioms come from can often help us remember how to use them effectively. Let's look at some examples. 1. The sudden deadline put the entire office in a spin. 2. I've been in a spin all day trying to juggle work and childcare. 3. After hearing the news, she was in a spin and couldn't think straight. Notice how the phrase is used to express being mentally unsettled or busy. You can use in a spin to express your own state of mind or to describe someone else's. For instance, sorry, I'm a bit in a spin right now. Can we talk later? He's been in a spin since he started planning the wedding. And that's a wrap on in a spin. Remember, idioms are a fun way to spice up the language and convey your feelings in a creative way. Hopefully, you're feeling a bit more confident using this phrase. Don't let English idioms send you into a spin. Embrace them and enjoy the ride. See you in the next video.